Hi, my name is Gabriel Alvaera. I'm in grade 9 and I'm gonna teach you how to do some order of operations with fractions. I'm gonna show you two equations and I'm gonna walk you through the answers. So over here we have this equation with fractions. We have 1/3 squared multiplied by 2/5 divided by 1/4 plus in brackets 2/3 minus 1/6. Now for order of operations, we want to remember BEDMAS, right? Brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So here we want to do the subtraction first. So we're going to do 2/3 minus 1/6. Now over here for subtraction, we need to find the lowest common denominator for the denominators. So over here we have the lowest common denominator is 6. This is already 6, so this is fine. We're gonna multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2 because in order for this to become 6, we need to multiply by 2. So that will be 4 6 minus 1/6. This will equal to 3/6. Now we write the whole thing again. 1/3 squared times 2/5 divided by 1/4 plus 3/6. So now next we have next for BEDMAS we have exponents, right? So we have to do this area 1/3 square. So so if we look at this, so 1/3 to the power of 2 is just basically saying 1/3 times 1/3. So 1 times 1 equals 1, and 3 times 3 equals 9, so the answer will be 1/9. So 1/9 times 2/3 divided by 1/4 plus 3/6. Now we're gonna do something interesting. So multiplication and division are both inverse operations, meaning you can, if multiplication and division are beside each other, like here, then you can just go left to right. So here we have 1/9 times 2/3. Here we don't have anything to simplify, unfortunately. So 1 times 2 would be 2, obviously, and 9 times 3 would be 27. So now we're gonna rewrite it again. 2/27 divided by 1/4 plus 3/6. So now we get to do 2/27 divided by 1/4. So here 2/27 divided by 1/4. Now for here, for division, what we do is 2 steps. One, we find the reciprocal of this fraction, always the second fraction, which is 4/1. So we're gonna rewrite it as 2/27 times 4/1. You see here I put a multiplication symbol because after we find the reciprocal, we have to we have to multiply. So 2 times 4 equals 8, and 27 times 1 equals 27. So now we have 8, 27 plus 3, 6. So now we have our final step. Well, yeah, let's see that. We have our final step, which is 8 over 27 plus 3, 6. So we have to use subtraction rules again, which is you have to find the same denominator. So what I like to do is find the first multiples of both numbers. So 6, and if you can't find them, then I'll go to 10. I'll go to 10 more multiples. If you still can't find anything, just multiply each denominator. So if you can't find anything, then you would multiply this by 6 and you multiply this by 27. 12, 18, 24, 27, 50, 48, 108, 108. Do we have anything? No. Oh, 54. 54. This is our lowest common denominator. You want to know why? Here, watch this. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 10 equals 60. I wrote this down because 10 minus 1 equals 9. So if we subtract these two, then we should get 54. So let's see it. 60 5. Wow. So what does this mean? So if we multiply 6 and 9, that should get us 54. So now we have found our lowest common denominator, which is 54. I'm just gonna erase all of this. So now we can find the lowest now we can get our common denominators. So times this by, we're gonna multiply this by 2, because 27 times 2 equals 54. 2, and also we have to multiply this by 2 because it has to be equal. I'm gonna multiply this by 9 because 6 times 9 equals or 6 multiplied by 9 equals 54, and we have to multiply this by 9 to make it equal. So 16 over 54 plus 27 over 54. Now we're gonna 16, 27. Just make a quick calculation. 13, 4. Our final answer should be 43 over 54. We cannot simplify it because there's no common numbers that we can simplify. So our answer is 43 over 54. Oh, great. I'm going to show you one more. I'm going to show you one more equation. And here is our final equation. So we have 1/2 multiplied by, in brackets, 2/3 divided by -4/8 in bracket, then use squared, plus 1/3. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to figure out this. We have to figure out the bracket. So 2/3 divided Now here we have something interesting. Now we have a negative. So in multiplication and division, if the sign, so like let's say plus times plus, if the signs are the same, then the resulting number would be a positive. It doesn't matter if it's a positive integer or a negative integer. But if it's a different sign, say plus divided by negative, positive divided by negative, then it'll be negative. So what we have here is a positive dividing by a negative. So we know that the answer should be a negative. So we're going to find the reciprocal. 2/3 times negative 4. So here we can simplify because 2 and 4 have a common factor, 2. So we're going to cross it off. I'm going to put 1 here, 2 here, because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now we can multiply. 1 multiplied 8 would be 8. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And we have negative 86. So we're going to rewrite 1/2 multiplied by negative 86 squared plus 1/3. Now we have a exponent in this fraction. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply negative 86 and negative 86. So this would be 64 over 36. Remember, it's positive because we are multiplying a negative with a negative. So 1/2 times 64 over 36 plus 1/3. So now, next is multiplication. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna multiply. We are gonna multiply the fractions 1/2 and 64 over 36. So 1/2 times 64 over 36. So now we can simplify this because 2 and 64 have a common factor, which is 2. So we're gonna cross off. And this would be 1. This would be 30. This would be 32. So now we can easily multiply it. So this 1 times 32 would be 32, and 1 times 36 would be 36. Now we can rewrite it as 32 over 36 plus 1 over 3. Now here, again, with our addition rules, we have to find the lowest common denominator. Here, the lowest common denominator is 36, so we can leave this as is. Here, we are gonna multiply this by 12, because 12 times 3 would give us 36. We would also multiply this by 12 to make it even, to make the playing field even. So 32 over 36 plus over 36. 32 plus 12, that would be 44 over 36. 44 over 36. Now we can simplify our answer because because we want to get the lowest fraction possible. So these two, they can be divided into 4. So 44 divided by 4 would be 11, and 36 divided by 4 would equal 9. Here, I'll show you the work so you can see. 44 here, 4 divided by 44, 4 goes into 4 once, 4 0 4 4 goes into 4 once again, 4. That's our answer. That's our numerator. And finally, 4 36, 4 can't go into 3, so we're gonna put a 0. 4 goes into 36 9 times because I'll show you. Oops. 9, no, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, that's 5, 24, 28, 32, 36, that's 9. So 4 goes into 36 9 times, 30, and that's our answer. 11/9 is our final answer. So that's my video on order of operations with fractions. I'd like to thank you for listening and see you on the next one. Goodbye.